Another day, another package. This one happens to be from Nespresso. So I don't order from them often. I maybe do an order twice a year, but one of those orders will always be an advent calendar, and their advent calendar for this year recently came out. So I bought that and a couple other things. So I just want to show you guys what I got, and we're going to take a peek at what the advent calendar looks like this year. So I already had removed most of the packaging because I didn't want this to be too loud, but first one I've tried in Korea, and I was only able to get it there. Of course, I only bought one, so I've been like, ugh. But they've recently started selling it in the US, and this is the Ginseng Delight, and this is basically their coffee plus ginseng extract and caramel flavor. This is a double espresso pod, and I love using this as a iced latte. I'm so happy that they're selling this now. I behaved and I only bought one, but I have it now. This one is the Enzino Gran Largo, and this is I want to say it's a 5 ounce. Yeah, 5.7 fluid ounce pod. Again, I also like using these more so than the coffee pods because I do get that dilution a little bit because I pour these over ice and I can just add a little bit of milk. I find that the coffee pods are too watery for me. I'm a latte girl at heart, so I can't do just the straight coffee. So I found that these are my fix, and I love caramel, so can never forget the free bags. I always try to get at least 2 anytime I order. I have a lot of pods that I need to go through, so we always like to get the bags so I can send them back to recycle. The free samples this time, we have the double espresso charo and the iced largo. I like both of those flavors, so yay. And the double pods, if you haven't seen them, I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video you have, but the double pods are about that size, and the total ounces is, what is it? Total ounce is 2.7 milliliters, or 2.7 fluid ounces, or 80 milliliters. Now, the star of the show, this is the advent calendar for this year. I think I bought an advent calendar every year for the past 3 years. Yeah, I want to say 3 years. This will be my 3rd one. So I really like the design of last year's box. Not so with the color, just because I don't like pink, but it is a cute little fun box. How do I get this out? Okay. I should have already taken this out. Give me a second. Okay, so this is the box, and as you can see, it has the numbers on it. You kind of go around and pick it open. The 24th box is always like the cup or the mug of the calendar. I always feel like it should be the first one because I'm like, I want to enjoy the cup in here. So I'm actually going to go ahead and open this because I want to see the cup and have the cup. I haven't decided when I'm going to open the rest of the box yet. I know it will probably be soon just because I normally wait until like December and try to do it then. But then if I really like a pod, 9 times out of 10, it's already like sold out, or it's a holiday season one, so they may have already stopped selling it. So I want to get ahead of that this time. I am going to open up the 24th one. There are only 24 slots on here, but I'm going to open up 24 just because it's the mug and I want the mug. It is a mug and the a coffee pod. I don't remember there being a coffee pod in the last one. This says Festive Collection, Collection Festive Double Espresso. Ooh. And then the limited edition coffee cup. So this is the festive pod. That's cool because for some reason I thought this flavor was a coffee pod and not a espresso pod. So I know what I'm trying later. And then the mug. Do I need another mug? No, but here we are. That's pretty. Look at that. I like the texture. actually like really like that. I know it's super simple. It's a super simple mug. It's white, but I like that, and it does have that texture. Actually, I really like this. I do really like this. It doesn't say how many ounces, but it may be the standard 12. Yep, 12.8 fluid ounces, made of porcelain. I have a bad track record with porcelain though. My mug from either last year or the year before, I had it for like, it was the smaller cup one. I love that cup so much. My dad broke it. He broke it, and I was so devastated, to the point where I went back out later in the year and bought a new one. So I'm hoping I have a better luck this year with this one. But yeah, that is my Nespresso purchase. I normally, again, only purchase like twice a year. However, depending on the flavors in the pods, I might purchase one more before the end of the year. I don't know. It depends on how quickly I go through them, and if I see anything where I'm like, ooh, I need to try that. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do it this year. I know previous years I've done like a daily open and try coffee with me. Right now I'm between coffee and matcha, so I don't know what I want, but I think what I will do is I will keep you guys updated on which pods I do like, maybe at the end of all this, and then saying which ones I reordered. So if you are interested in knowing that, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.